Today's episode is 60's reaction to the Yuruyuri girls' snores get replaced with number block 83 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Greetings. 60 here. I'm going to do a reaction on the 3 Yuruyuri girls' snores get replaced with number block 83's snore, but, I'm sorry to say, I don't know. I have no choice but to put you with the 2 snot bubble snores and see how it goes. Anyways, let's get straight onto the reaction.
Chill out. I'm snoring like a number block 83.
Ha 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 ha. You deserve it, Kyoko Indikari.
Oh, he tried it.
Thank goodness this video ended. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Anyways, stay tuned for episode 116.